Water is life. Water is essential. But when your water lines fail, life stops cold. That's where Pure Valley Plumbing steps in, because in Moreno Valley, we don't just fix plumbing. We restore peace of mind, cracked pipes, corroded lines, water loss that drains your wallet faster than your faucet drains your sink. You've felt the stress. You've seen the bills climb. Whether you're running a thriving business or protecting your family home, a failing water line isn't just an inconvenience, it's a crisis waiting to happen. But here's the truth. You don't have to wait for disaster. You don't have to wonder if your water lines are safe. And you certainly don't have to settle for slow service or mediocre repairs. For over 7 years, Pure Valley Plumbing has been Moreno Valley's trusted answer to waterline emergencies and planned replacements. 120 skilled professionals, 5 fully equipped service vans, decades of combined expertise. We're not just nearby, we're right here in your community, ready to respond. Waterline repair and replacement demands precision. It demands speed. It demands someone who knows your neighborhood's unique challenges, from North Moreno Valley to Moreno Valley Ranch, from Rancho Belago to Hidden Springs. Our licensed master plumbers are EPA LEED Safe certified. We use advanced leak detection technology that finds problems before they become catastrophes. When we repair your water lines, we don't just patch the problem, we engineer lasting solutions. Whether it's a single residential connection or a commercial property serving hundreds of daily operations, we bring the same unwavering commitment to excellence. Imagine waking up without the worry. Imagine running your business without fear of waterline failure. Imagine knowing that your family's water, pure, safe, and reliable, flows through pipes maintained by people who genuinely care about your well-being. That's not fantasy. That's the Pure Valley Plumbing difference. We show up. We communicate clearly. We complete the job right the first time. And we back every repair with a rock-solid 12-month warranty on parts and labor. Your satisfaction isn't guaranteed. It's guaranteed and guaranteed again. Waterline problems don't wait for business hours. That's why we operate 24/7 with emergency response within 60 minutes. That's why your neighborhood was chosen by Pure Valley Plumbing. That's why local residents and local businesses trust us when seconds count. Fully bonded, fully insured with $2 million in general liability coverage. Certified in backflow prevention, cross-connection control, and sustainable plumbing solutions. We're not just licensed, we're exceptionally qualified. This is your moment. This is your chance to stop guessing and start knowing. Stop worrying and start trusting. The water flowing through your property should bring confidence, not concern. The people protecting that water should bring confidence, not compromise. Pure Valley Plumbing isn't just a service company. We're your neighbors, your partners, your solution. We've earned recognition year after year. Excellence in plumbing services, quality craftsmanship awards, outstanding service quality recognition. But the real recognition comes from the families and businesses that choose us, depend on us, and recommend us. When it comes to waterline repair and replacement in Moreno Valley, you have one clear choice. You have Pure Valley Plumbing, your trusted local expert. Residential or commercial, emergency or planned maintenance. Fast response, expert solutions. Unmatched peace of mind, don't wait for disaster. Don't settle for mediocre service. Don't risk your property or your family's well-being. Call Pure Valley Plumbing today. We're here. We're ready. We're Pure Valley's promise. Because when it comes to water lines, and when it comes to your peace of mind, you deserve nothing less than excellence. Pure Valley Plumbing. Local expertise, trusted solutions, always